Welcome to Smalltalk Daily for Wednesday, February 25th, 2009. This morning I thought I'd go through build scripts again, but instead of deployment scripts, we're going to look at development scripts. Meaning, let's say you want to start from a base visual.im image and build up your development environment. And in this case, I'm going to show you what I do to build up my development environment for Bottom Feeder. So I have my script down here in a workspace, and this is just a simple little thing where I have a list of parcels that I want to load in. So I have all of those here. I just have the $VisualWorks environment variable, parcels, UI Painter, and so on and so forth. So all that stuff. Then I set my basic memory settings up. Then I come down here and I load in the repositories. Now you might ask, how do I know where those are? Well, if I come up here, I can import and export repositories through the launcher. All I did is I exported these repositories out to repositories.xml. And then likewise when I start up I can import them. Now I happen to know that I called this one repository connection to the public store CINCOM Smalltalk, so I look for that particular one and I connect to it. And then I can use programmatic code to just load in all the stuff I need to from store. So I have bundle, newest version with name, package, newest version with name, and so on, and I load all that stuff in. And then finally, down towards the bottom, I load in the application specific stuff for Bottom Feeder, disconnect from the repository, set some application state here, and then finally all the way down at the bottom I just save my image under a development name. Now the cool thing about this is I don't even need to highlight all this code and load it in. What I can do is quit this image, and then what I can do is bring a shell, and I can do something like this: /start vw on visual.im minus filein build-bf-dev.st, and what you're going to see is it's going to start filing stuff in from that file, which in turn goes ahead and loads the parcels, then connects to a store repository, and then loads things in, and finally saves the image. Now that's going to take a little bit because there's a whole lot going on, so I'm going to pause while things scroll through the transcript. Okay, as you can see, the script finished, and I've got, now if I do an ls-l on star.im, you'll find that I've got btf-dev.im right here, saved this morning. So let's go ahead and quit this, and then what I'll do is I'll start it up, start VW on btf-dev.im, and you can see I started the image up. If I go to the Tools menu, I have Bottom Feeder right there, fire that up, and there it is. There's my Bottom Feeder image in the development environment, and I can bring posts up. So that's all there is to it. I create a script that loads my parcels, connects to a repository, loads everything from the repository, and then I just forget it until it finishes saving, and then I can go back to work. So that's about it. We'll leave it there for today. Till next time, have fun with Smalltalk.